Did you know that what you consume before bed goes a long way in determining how you'll feel the next morning? For a refreshing and healthy start to your day, consider having a sip of olive oil before going to bed. Throughout history, from ancient Greece to contemporary wellness practices, olive oil has been highly valued for its healing attributes. Taking olive oil before bedtime is believed to have various benefits, especially from men's sexual health. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, healing and regenerating itself at the cellular level. Olive oil can help to support these processes in several ways, and in this video, we'll be revealing how drinking olive oil can promote your health while you sleep. From curing erectile dysfunction to promoting weight loss, we'll be explaining why men need to drink olive oil before bed. So join us as we walk you through the untold benefits of drinking this powerful natural remedy at night, especially when it has to do with men's health. Men who seek a restful night's sleep might find it beneficial to incorporate a small amount of extra virgin olive oil before bedtime. This natural sleep aid is widely embraced in Mediterranean cultures for its recognized sleep-promoting benefits. In one study published in the journal Nutrients, participants who took a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed had more deep sleep than those who didn't. This is important because deep sleep is essential for repairing cells and maintaining overall health. The participants who took olive oil also had lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol, suggesting that it has a calming effect, which can also promote sleep. Drinking olive oil before bed equally provides the body with oleic acid, a type of omega-9 fatty acid. Oleic acid has been found to increase the body's production of melatonin, which in turn makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate the circadian rhythm, or sleep-wake cycle. It's produced by the pineal gland, which responds to signals from the brain about when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. A strong immune system is important for overall health, as it helps to protect you from infection and illness. And what's a better way of boosting our immune system than drinking olive oil before bed? Olive oil is rich in high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that aid men's immune systems in combating health issues. Free radicals are produced during normal metabolic processes, but they can become excessive in response to stress, infection, or environmental toxins. Antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols found in olive oil work by donating electrons to free radicals, which neutralizes their reactivity and prevents them from causing cell damage. These antioxidants can also help to increase the production of natural killer cells, a type of white blood cell that helps to fight off viruses and other pathogens. In fact, a study published in the journal Nutrients looked at the effect of olive oil on immune function in healthy adults. The findings revealed that consuming 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day for 4 weeks increased the number and activity of T cells, a type of immune cell that helps to fight off infection. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil, including compounds like hydroxytyrosol and quercetin, play an important role in reducing chronic inflammation, a factor linked to diseases like heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. These compounds work by preventing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules such as cytokines and prostaglandins, thereby protecting the body from potential harm. Testosterone is an important hormone involved in men's sexual function, so low levels can lead to erectile dysfunction, or ED. However, you have nothing to fear because drinking olive oil before you sleep can increase your body's level of testosterone, which in turn boosts your libido and naturally improves your sexual function. The presence of oleic acid in olive oil stimulates the release of luteinizing hormone, or LH, which in turn triggers the production of testosterone in the testes. It can also reduce the activity of an enzyme that breaks down testosterone, leading to higher levels of the hormone in the body. Olive oil equally contains polyphenols, which are compounds that improve the function of the endothelium, the thin layer of cells that lines the blood vessels. A healthy endothelium produces nitric oxide, which is a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This process ensures optimal blood circulation to the penis, improving the ability to achieve and sustain an erection. One 2018 study from the University of Athens examined the effects of olive oil on male sexual function. The study involved 40 men between the ages of 30 and 55 who were experiencing mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. The men were given either olive oil or corn oil for 9 weeks. At the end of the study, the olive oil group had a significant improvement in sexual function with a 40% reduction in erectile dysfunction symptoms. The corn oil group, however, saw no improvement. If you're a man concerned about your weight, but lack time or energy for intense workouts, don't worry, olive oil might just be the remedy you need. While it may seem counterintuitive for weight loss, research shows that consuming olive oil can actually aid in reducing body fat in men. This is attributed to the abundance of monounsaturated fats in olive oil, known to promote weight loss through various mechanisms. Monounsaturated fats contribute to a sense of fullness, potentially reducing overall food intake. They also boost the body's metabolism by facilitating calorie burning, even during sleep. These fats have been demonstrated to lower triglyceride levels, which is a fat type linked to obesity and various health issues. Consuming olive oil before bedtime can contribute to improved cholesterol levels, supporting weight loss efforts. Olive oil is rich in HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, often referred to as good cholesterol. This helps in eliminating excess LDL, aka low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol, associated with weight gain and heart diseases. This in turn promotes overall health and well-being, making you lose those stubborn and unwanted fats from your body. Drinking olive oil before bed does more than just promote your internal health. It works wonders for your skin thanks to the body's restorative processes that occur during sleep. While you're snoozing, your body produces new skin cells and repairs damage caused by UV rays and other environmental stressors. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from further damage and enhances the skin's natural reparative abilities. Vitamin E is also essential for healthy hair and nails. It helps to strengthen the nails and keep them looking healthy, while promoting hair growth and preventing breakage. Inflammation is a primary contributor to skin conditions like wrinkles, acne, and eczema, as it can stimulate the overproduction of sebum, a factor in clogged pores and acne formation. Inflammation can equally elevate melanin production, resulting in age spots and discoloration. By drinking olive oil before bedtime, you can reduce these inflammations and give yourself a more even, radiant complexion. Studies have also found that drinking olive oil before bed can increase collagen production due to the antioxidants called polyphenols. Collagen is the main structural protein in our skin, and as we age, our bodies produce less of it. This can lead to sagging, wrinkling, and other signs of aging if not treated with olive oil. So, if you want to keep your skin looking young and smooth like a newborn, start including olive oil in your daily routine. You'll be amazed by the results. Did you know that drinking olive oil before bed can prevent digestive problems in more ways than one? On average, people typically have one bowel movement per day, although this can vary from person to person. If you're not having a bowel movement every day, you may be constipated. Constipation is a condition that occurs when stool becomes hard and dry, making it difficult to pass. This can result in symptoms like abdominal pain and bloating. However, since olive oil has natural laxative properties, it can help alleviate these symptoms by promoting bowel regularity and softening stools. Olive oil can also help to stimulate bioproduction, which further aids digestion and bowel regularity. Bile helps to break down fats and other nutrients in the digestive tract. This, in turn, helps to further aid digestion and can relieve constipation caused by a lack of bile. In a small 4-week study, people with chronic constipation were given 1 teaspoon of olive oil per day. The results showed that participants experienced significant relief from their symptoms, and that olive oil was just as effective as mineral oil, which is a commonly used treatment for constipation. This not only elevates olive oil beyond a kitchen staple for different culinary delights, but positions it as a potential remedy for common health issues, benefiting both men and women. However, as the saying goes, excess of everything is bad. It's essential to be mindful that, like any beneficial substance, overconsumption of healthy oils like olive oil can have side effects. So, striking a balance is important for reaping the great benefits olive oil has to offer without unintended consequences. To be on the safer side, limit your bedtime consumption of olive oil to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Do this for at least 4 weeks, and you'll begin to notice all the benefits mentioned in this video. Now over to you, Vitality Voyagers. Do you consume olive oil, especially before bedtime? If so, how often do you include it in your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And have you been suffering from nerve damage and are looking for the best natural remedy to heal this condition? Then click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover the 4 powerful seeds that can miraculously heal nerve damage. See you there!